up guys, thank you for watching another video. So I want to start off the video by showing you guys the first mod I've ever done to the E36. I finally got the first mod in the mail, and it was the shift knob. I really wanted to install it on camera, but I just could not wait when I got it in the mail. I had to put it on right away, but this thing feels so nice. It's all original, so it has that little M logo, all the gears, and it just looks so nice, especially with this Alcantara that's here. It feels super good, and I haven't really got to drive with it yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. So guys, on Instagram this morning, I pulled a really mean prank. It was an April Fool's joke. I posted this photo right here. It looks like the E36 is crashed. This is not my car. My car is perfectly fine. No damage at all, thankfully. This morning I woke up and my brother-in-law came up with the idea, so I had to do it. I found a picture online of a crashed E36 in red, and I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks like my car. So many comments, literally almost 800 comments. I cannot believe that. So I'm really sorry to the people who actually believed it. I'm sorry, I'm okay, the car is okay, and hopefully that never happens to my car. The new wheels should be coming in tomorrow. I'm not gonna have tires yet, so I'm not gonna be able to mount them quite yet, but new wheels will be installed on the car soon. I think I'm gonna strap the GoPro on my head and just go cruise around so you guys can see more of the point of view footage. I haven't got to use the GoPro yet in this car where you guys are able to see me shifting and stuff. I've actually gotten a lot better, guys, so you guys are gonna get to see that right now. Guys, I need some help too. Should I make the car louder or just keep it how it is? It doesn't sound too bad. I actually like how it sounds. I think if I made it a little too loud, it might sound kind of like ricey. It might sound a little weird. So I don't know where I'm gonna go. I just wanted to get out the house and just go drive around, show you guys some point of view footage. Maybe you guys can see me shifting. I hope the camera angle gets it. And I brought my big camera with me, so maybe we'll have a little photo shoot while we're at it. And guys, I got a lot better at shifting. I feel like a pro at driving stick now. I've been just driving this car a lot lately, so I'm getting really used to driving stick. Hey guys, the car's super low. So you might hear some tires rubbing right now, watch. Yep, a little bit of tires rub. Tires rub on the fender for any little bump. I really need to raise the car up just a little bit. I've improved a lot driving stick. This car is so much more fun to drive than the E92. Hopefully no one gets mad at me for saying that, but now that I have a manual transmission, it's just so much fun. This car's pretty fast too, guys. It's so much fun. On this street, because this street has a lot of potholes. You know, I'm about to be dodging all of them. The streets are messed up around my house. This is what I mean, guys. The streets around my house are just so bad. Like, you cannot drive a low car. That's one of the reasons why I bagged my E92. It's just not possible. It's possible, but it's just not very practical. It's not very practical to drive a low car here. There's some big potholes right here. Oh my god, that one was not good. God damn, dude. Why don't they fix these streets? Chill, dude. I barely took fucking 2 seconds. Comment down below, how is my driving? A little better, huh? you guys see me drive the ZL1, my homies, you see me drive a couple stick cars and it was not good. But I've been getting a lot better, I'm telling you. I'm gonna try to do a little pull right here. Hopefully there's no cops or anything. Sorry about the granny shifting. I know I'm shifting really slow, but should I try to race this Honda? Probably beat me. I don't know where the heck I am. I'm literally just cruising around. Oh. Oh, don't cut me off, bro. Oh my God, dude, this car is so fun. Practice my downshift. That's what I need to practice. Oh, there's cops up there. I'm gonna go this way. I was not trying to go next to cops. Not today, officer. I mean, I hope I don't run into them. Guys, I look so goofy. Damn, another Beamer. E36. Look at a white body kit on it. Come on, bro. There's nowhere to take photos around here. If you want to have a good photo shoot, you have to drive out to like LA, Orange County or something, but there's nothing around here. So yeah guys, overall this car's been super fun, super good. I haven't driven it really on a long drive yet. This is probably the longest drive I've driven it. But no heating issues, really no problems at all, which is crazy. This car does have 200,000 miles. I've never mentioned that. 203,000 miles. I think I'm gonna take a photo right here. Nice little plants, a nice little fence, and the sunset. It looks pretty sick. Get my camera. So guys, I get a lot of questions on what camera gear I use. It's a Sony a7R II with a 35mm 1.4 lens. Yeah, that's my camera setup. And I edit all the photos in Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. So yeah, let's take some photos. This angle right here. You always want to focus it on the thing that's closest. So since this is the rear, I'm trying to focus on the tail lights. If I'm shooting the front of the car, I'm trying to focus on the headlights. Photography class real quick. Get some of the shift knob because I haven't taken any new photos of it. And I think we're good. I'll put the photos on the screen right here. I hit up the homie Brian. We're gonna stop at his house so we can check out the E36. Broke his leg. How'd you break it?
BMX bikes, bro.
There's no way. What's up?
What's up?
You haven't been in my vlogs in forever.
I know.
You got Brian's feet. You like it?
Fuck yeah.
You like it?
Fuck yeah.
That shit's hard, huh?
Perfect as fuck.
She looks brand new, huh?
That shit's perfect, dog.
Brian, I would let you drive it, but she got 3 pedals and you got 1 leg. She feels nice, huh?
This is sick as fuck.
Oh yeah, it's all suede. Sick ass food.
Damn, my hair is all messed up.
I never tried
driving stick. What the fuck?
It's just weird, huh? You haven't seen me drive stick.
Look at you all natural.
It's tight though, bro. But you're gonna see this shit rubs like crazy.
Okay, bro. Damn.
It's fast, huh?
Yeah, this shit pulling. Dude, like actually like really cool. Like,
It's fast, huh?
Yeah. Like,
Bro, I was surprised too. Like, they got some torque, bro.
oh my god.
This shit, bro.
Guys, I'm telling Nick, fucking weld the diff on this shit.
That's so I can drift. You're gonna get a driving stick though, huh?
Hell yeah.
Oh, they're after me, bro. They got me. Oh my god.
Dude, this car seems so fun to drive.
These are the racing?
Fucking idiots.
Let me get in there.
This nigga's bad.
Nice that shit.
Hell yeah.
You like it?
Car's perfect, dude.
1 out of 10.
A 10, nigga. It's like my favorite car.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.